This is a fun and easy stitch pattern to memorize. It's only 4 rows and it's only 6 stitches in each repeat, and 3 of those rows are just knit the knits and purl the purls. You only really have to think on 1 row. You can find the written and charted instructions for this stitch pattern at edieeckman.com/baby-eyelet-cables. I've cast on a multiple of 6 stitches plus 3. I used a long tail cast on. My first row is going to be a wrong side row. The instructions tell me to knit 3, then purl 3 all the way across. Then purl 3. If I'm an English style knitter, I hold the yarn in my right hand and knit 3. Then bring the yarn to the front and purl 3. The last 3 stitches of this row are knit 3 and turn. That was kind of a setup row. Now we're going to do our first real pattern row. To do that, I'll begin with a purl 3, and then slip the next 3 stitches onto the right hand needle. And I'm going to slip them purlwise. So as if to purl, I'll put my right needle into all 3 of those stitches together as if I'm going to purl them together, but I'm just going to slip them off without purling them. Then I'm going to take the 3rd stitch, so 1, 2, 3 stitches, and lift it over these next 2 stitches as if I'm going to bind them off almost. And then I'm going to slip those stitches back to the left needle. So I've actually gotten rid of a stitch there. I did it, it's kind of like I was binding it off, but I just got rid of it. Now I have to get another stitch back on the needle. To do that, I'm going to knit 1, then yarn over to give back the stitch I bound off, and then knit 1 again, and then purl 3. So slip those 3 stitches purlwise, lift the 3rd one over the other 2, slip them back to the left needle, then knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. My stitch count hasn't changed. We're going to do that all the way across and end the row with purl 3. Stop and count at this point and make sure you still have the same number of stitches you started with. The pattern will show up shortly. It doesn't really look like much now, but we get to do a few kind of plain rows in between our fancy rows here. All my wrong side rows are the same. Knit 3, purl 3, all the way across. I'm really just knitting the knits and purling the purls. The next right side row is just purl 3, knit 3. So I'm purling my purls and knitting my knits. Let's do one more wrong side row. Again, all the wrong side rows are the same. Knit 3, purl 3 all the way across, ending with a knit 3. We're back to row 1 again. I'm going to show it to you this time holding the yarn in my right hand. Begin with a purl 3, slip those 3 stitches together purlwise, lift that 3rd stitch over the other 2, put them back on the needle, then knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. If you'd like more instruction like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out the links in the video notes for other ways you can find me. Thanks for watching.